Alright, what's up, y'all? We are back and we are making pasta. First thing you want to do is look online and figure out how much pasta you want to make. I'm making enough for 3 people. That's about 1.5 cups of flour and 2 eggs, okay? So I'm just going to add me some olive oil here and some salt. And I'm also going to add on top of that some Italian season just to give it some extra season to the dough. Right, so once you go ahead and you add all your seasonings, you're going to go ahead and lightly stir it up, and then you're going to start kneading the dough. Knead the dough for about 3 minutes. This is a very important part of the process of making a pasta. Okay, you got to work that pasta, right? So after you knead the dough, you want to go ahead and make sure if it's too dry, add water. Okay, just a little bit at a time, and then you want to wrap it with plastic wrap and let it sit for at least 30 minutes. Let the dough rest, okay, so it can be ready for you to roll it out properly. All right, so what I'm going to use to get my dough to what I like is a pasta maker, which I got for Christmas by God's grace. Okay, let your dough rest for 30 minutes. So my husband saw me struggling, right? I guess he felt sorry, and he bought me a pasta maker for Christmas, and I'm so thankful. So I set up the attachment. It's so easy. And then you want to cut your dough into 4 sections and roll each section out and then slide it through the maker, right? You can make ramen noodles. You can make anything from like dessert crust or whatever. I'm not a baker, but I just use it for savory items. Okay, so but yeah, so once you roll out your pieces, you want to make sure you slide it through the maker. It's three different sections. One's for thin pasta like lasagna type, and then one's for angel hair type pasta, and one's like a linguine type pasta, right? So level 8 I'll go through twice. I drop down every other level, go through one time, and then at the very end is level 1, and I go through twice on level 1. And then after I go through, I slide it through the angel side, and you want to do that 4 times a piece, and that's how you make pasta.